Hello everybody, this is Gabriel. So here's another trade of the week. I'm currently on vacation in Greece. So this is a trade that a student of mine has sent me. It's a very interesting trade. First, it's a very short time frame. It's the 15-minute chart on gold. And he has executed a system 2 here. It's a very special situation, as you might see here on the hourly chart. The price used to be in a clear downtrend, and with this recent move of the last 2 days, price has actually broken prior highs, a series of lower highs pretty easily here. So once it has moved to new highs, this specific pattern has formed. So the and entry just trigger. So the green line is the entry line here in MT4, using MT4, and the red line is the stop level. So price should go higher, and I would like to show you this. I really like this chart. It has a lot of learning value, I think. We can see here on the H4 chart, which is 2 time frames higher than the entry chart. We see here that it has broken to new highs. Overall, it was already nicely downtrending, so it tried to go lower. So once something cannot go lower, it will try to go higher, and that's exactly what happened here. We've got a series of green bars, green 4-hour bars with one red bar. So this one red bar developed because we've got here a sideways consolidation on a lower time frame, and currently it's trying to break to new highs. So the daily and the weekly actually hold a lot of value for this trade to be a winner. We can see here as well on the daily it has broken to new highs. It has tested purely, it has made a pullback and tested the 21. So this is a sign of a very healthy trend, that it pulls back and that it respects the 21. What the value here is for a nice up momentum move is that we have a stop run level here at the high of this red bar. It's a rejection bar. So if it breaks this high, we can actually expect a move up to this highest high we can see here in this chart. And there are always stop run levels behind this wick and behind the highest high. So there's actually potential to break this high and move to the I think it's the 1304 level. I'm going looking at one higher time frame, the weekly. We see that it's not only the high here we see here is this high here, which is a wick level. So there's another high, another equal high. And we can see as well that there's this big number, the 1300 level, and we can expect actually price to go and have a stop run up to the 1333 level, and there are other stop run levels. So we've got a cluster of stop runs, and as he has correctly drawn in here, there's potential up to the 1400 level. So this is an excellent example how you can get into the market with a very low risk idea. So this is your risk, and you have the potential to run like all this way up to 1400. So it holds a big R winner, and it holds swing potential. So it holds a potential for you to be in the trade for several weeks, executing a 15-minute chart. Now let's see how it developed. So we entered here at the green line. It moved it decisively higher. Currently it's making a consolidation. So it has taken out these stop runs above this wick level, as previously stated. Now we're kind of overextended, so there might be a pullback. If it's a strong trend, it only pulls back to the 8 moving average, as it has done previously. That's what I would expect. I like symmetry, so it had respected 8 and then it pulled back to the 21. So I'm expecting a similar move here on the daily, like leading us to the 1320 level. And if that happens, it might break these other levels, which are stop run levels. So it's an interesting chart to watch for next week. And I hope that was interesting and of value. Thank you.